Ever wonder how your browser knows if a website is secure? Let's break down what a certificate authority does and how your browser decides who to trust. You type in a URL like https://example.com. Your browser sends a request to get the site's IP address using DNS. Now it knows where to go. Next, it connects to the server using a process called the TCP handshake, and then kicks off the TLS handshake to secure the connection. The server sends its digital certificate to prove it's legit. That certificate was signed by a certificate authority, or CA, a trusted third party your browser already knows. Your browser checks, is the certificate signed by a trusted CA? Has it expired? Does the domain match? If all's good, the lock icon appears and your data is encrypted. Each browser has a built-in list of trusted CAs. Here's a quick look. Firefox maintains its own list known as the Mozilla Root Store. Some examples include DigiCert, Sectigo, and GlobalSign. Chrome and Edge, which are Chromium-based, use the operating system's Trust Store. For Windows, this is managed by Microsoft. On macOS, it uses the Apple Keychain. Safari relies on the macOS or iOS Trust Store and trusts Apple-approved CAs like DigiCert, Entrust, and more. Each of these CAs go through strict audits to stay trusted. If they mess up, browsers can and do remove them. If the certificate is missing, expired, or untrusted, the browser warns you. That's your cue to back away or proceed with caution. So next time you see that padlock, know this. Your browser checked a digital passport signed by a certificate authority and gave it the green light. Like this breakdown? Hit subscribe and drop a comment with your next tech question. Stay secure out there.